Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading and I'm here with one of my Christmas or you could say winter tutorials for these Frosty earrings, or you could call them also Snow White earrings or whatever you like. Now in this video I will show you really easy step-by-step how to make them. So if you like what I'm showing you here and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new videos that are absolutely free. And if you want to support me and make me do more tutorials, what you could do is first comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions, and share in the social networks. You don't know how much you help me by sharing my videos. And the last thing is like them. Thank you so much for doing this. Thank you to all of you that are doing this in regular basis. You make me continue doing more and more videos. And in my next video I'm going to show a matching bracelet. So this is another reason to subscribe. Okay, so now I'm going to start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are 6mm beads, and I'm using 11/0 seed beads in silver color and 8/0 beads in white and silver, and these are 6/0s, and I'm also using 11/0s in white color. And these are 10mm beads. You could use beads, pearls, whatever you have. And I'm using here ear wires that are lever backs. You could use other type of ear wires, and of course other colors. And I'm using beading needle size 10, scissors, and here I'm using fireline that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and I will take about 4 feet of thread on my needle, which is 1.2 meters, and I will put it on my needle and I will start. Maybe it will be too much, but it's better to have more thread and to reinforce wherever I decide than to have less thread. Okay, I will be back in a while. Okay guys, and I'm going to start by taking my 6mm bead. I will slide it down and I will take 7 seed beads. Okay, I have my 7 here, and I'm going back in circle through this bead. And I'm going to repeat this from the other side. Okay, I have my 7 here again, and I'm going back in circle through this bead, the 6mm bead. Okay, now I have this, and what I want to do is go through all of my beads here in this direction. And now here I added 1 bead, and I will go through all of those beads here. And I want to add 1 more bead. So I have 7 plus 7, it's 14, and then 2 more beads, and it's 16 beads in total. And now what I want to do is go several times reinforcing these circled beads here. And when I'm here, I might want to decide to make a knot with my tail thread and my main thread. Okay, I'm making a loop and I'm going twice through the loop I've made, and then I make sure that my thread is between those two beads where I started my knot from, and I'm pulling. Okay, I'm fixing my work, and now this is what I have, and I will go through some beads here. And I will start my second row, and for my second row I will take one 8/0 bead in white color, and as I'm exiting from this bead here, I will go through the previous one and through this one. Okay, so I'm attaching this 8/0 bead to my 2 silver 11/0s. Okay, you see what I'm doing here. Oops. Then I will continue this row the same way. So I'm going through my next 2 silvers, and I want to attach another 8/0 white 8/0 to these silvers. Okay, I'm taking it and I'm going back to the previous silver of where my thread is going out of, and I'm making something like a loop between them and pulling. And because I have 16 silver beads, I will have 8 8/0s in this row, because I am connecting every 2 seed beads with 1 8/0, so it's 8 in total. Here is what I have. Okay guys, and I will do this 4 more times off camera, and I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and here I am, where I'm adding my last 8/0, and now what I want to do is go through my next 2 seed beads, and then I want to go with my needle in my next row. Okay, and in my next row I'm gonna be adding 6/0s and silver 8/0s. So I'm adding 1 6/0, and then I'm adding 1 silver 11/0. Okay, then I'm adding another 6/0, and I'm adding another 8/0 in silver color this time, and I'm adding 6/0, and silver 11/0. Okay, and now I will have 4 6/0s and 4 8/0s. And after I do this, I will make an additional step reinforcing this row of beads. Okay guys, and you see this is a cute element that you could use for bracelets and for different type of earrings, pendants and other projects. And now I will show you how to turn this into an earring. Okay, so I will take 3 silver 11/0s, and as I'm exiting from this 6/0, I'm going back in circle through the same 6/0. Okay, Then I'm going through the following beads, exiting out of my next 6-0, and I need 3 more 11-0s, going back in circle through the 6-0, and I'm going to repeat this 2 more times. Okay, and now here is what I have. I think this element is really cute by itself without adding anything else. But now, in order to turn this into an earring, I would like to add some more beads here. So as I'm exiting from this 6-0, I will go back through the 11-0s in this direction. And here I'm adding 2 11-0s and 1 11-0 in one color, 2 silver 11-0s and white 11-0, and I'm going through this silver here. Okay, then I will repeat this but the other way around, 1 white and 2 silvers. This is because I want to have white next to my silver here. Okay, here is what I'm adding. If my video is too fast for you, pause it somewhere and catch up with me, and then start it again, and you could rewind, of course. Okay, and I need 2 seed beads in silver cowl and 1 white bead. Okay, and I'm going through this silver here. And I will repeat this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more times, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and here I am where I'm adding my last beads from this row. Okay, and of course you could go one more time around all of your beads, reinforcing them and making them stay smoother. Okay, go around the edge one more time. Okay, and I'll do it off camera, I won't make you watch me doing this. Okay guys, and I went around one more time reinforcing my work, and here I'm exiting from this bead that is in the middle of my 3 beads that I added here around this 6-0. This is the middle one, and I'm exiting from one side of it, and I need 4 of these beautiful white beads, and then I need 1 of these 10-0. You could skip this step if you want, but I think the earring looks really better when it has this bead dangling. Okay, and I need 1 silver bead here, sliding it down, and I'm skipping it and I'm going back through my bead. You see, I'm skipping the silver one and going back through my 10mm bead. Okay, and now I'm pulling like that. Then what I want to go is to go through these 3 white beads here. Okay, I'm pulling, and I want to take just 1 white bead, and I will go back in circle through this silver in the middle where I started my attaching my bead here from, and here I will make an additional step. Okay, I'm going back through this white bead, then through the other one, and I'm reinforcing my work. And then I need one silver here, and I'm going to the following silver. Okay, just like that. Then I want to go back here through all of those beads and here through my 6/0. And what I'm doing is that I'm going out of this bead, and here I will add one more silver. You can skip adding these silvers. I think it will still look good, but I prefer to have them here. Okay, so now I will go again through this white bead, and I want to reach here this side. Okay, going through this bead, and you could go around the edge or you could go through the center, and I will meet you here where I will attach my ear wire. Okay guys, and I went back through all of my beads here around the edge, and now I'm exiting here, and what I want to take is one seed bead. Then I will take my ear wire. I'm taking this in silver color, and then I will take one more silver, and I'm going back in circle through this middle bead here, through this middle silver bead. Okay, and now I have this. Okay, and now I might want to go reinforcing this work. Okay, I went several times around all of those beads. Then I'm going to flip my work, and I'm going here at the back of my work. Let's say here, and I'm going to make a knot here. Okay, and I'm making a knot by making a loop and going once, then going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and I will continue doing this several more times, and when I'm ready I will go through my next bead and cut my thread. Remember, never cut next to a knot, and when I'm ready I'll be back. Okay guys, and now when I repeat all of those steps one more time, my earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more videos like this, please like, comment and share. I promise I'll answer to all of you that have any questions in the comments. And you don't know how much you help me with sharing my video. It's a really great help from you. So thanks to all of you that you're doing this on a regular basis. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your beautiful creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.